Ready? 5 seconds. Honorable members, facilities for the women workers in the unorganized sector are also being augmented. Self-employment opportunities are being made available to rural women through Rashtriya Ajivika Mission. Under the Rashtriya Ajivika Mission, loans amounting to more than rupees 2 lakh crore have been disbursed so far to 3 crore women in rural areas. My government is committed to make women equal stakeholders in the country's development and prosperity. Efforts will be made in collaboration with industry and corporate sector to provide better employment opportunities to women. In addition, in government procurement, priority will be given to those enterprises where women's participation in the workforce is more than the prescribed limit. To secure equal rights for every sister and daughter in the country, eradication of social evils like triple talaq and nikah halala is imperative. I would urge all the members to cooperate in these efforts to make the lives of our sisters and daughters better and dignified. Honorable members, our young generation must have a meaningful participation in the building of New India. In the last 5 years, attempts have been made for developing the skills of the youth, providing them financial support for startups and self-employment, and making available adequate number of seats for higher education. The amount of scholarship has also been increased by 25%. The government has made provision of 10% reservation for youth from economically weaker section of the general category. This will enable them to get more opportunities in employment and education. To enable the youth of all strata of society to fulfill their dreams, timely provision of financial resources is being emphasized. The impact of Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana has been felt on a big scale. Under this scheme, about 19 crore loans have been disbursed for self-employment. An effort will now be made to cover 30 crore people by expanding this scheme. A facility for entrepreneurs to avail loan up to rupees 50 lakh without any guarantee will also be introduced. Apart from this, new employment opportunities will be generated through appropriate policies in sectors which have the potential to accelerate the economy. Today, India has joined the League of countries with most number of startups in the world. To improve the startup ecosystem, the government is simplifying the rules. This campaign will be further expedited. Our goal is to establish 50,000 startups in the country by 2024. Research is being encouraged in higher educational institutions. To further strengthen this effort, it is proposed to establish a National Research Foundation to encourage cooperation among different institutions for higher education. Honorable members, it is our responsibility to provide appropriate opportunities, environment and quality education to enhance the talent of education. In this regard, the Pradhan Mantri Innovative Learning Program will be started. in order to attract children early enough at the school level towards technology. Suitable infrastructure is being created through the Atal Innovation Mission. The work of establishing Atal Tinkering Labs is about 9,000 schools across the country is progressing rapidly. Similarly, Atal Incubation Centers are being set up in 102 universities and other institutions. Impressive performance in sports competition at the world level enhances the pride of the country as well as increases the interest of children and youth in sports. It is also strengthens the culture of according primacy to health in life. To make India a global sports powerhouse, it is important that talented players living in far-flung areas of the country are identified and their selection process is made transparent. To identify the players at the state and district level, it has been decided to which the Khelo India program. Under this, 2,500 talented players have been selected and are being trained. Now this facility will be provided to 2,500 new players every year. The sports infrastructure in the country will be modernized as well as expanded. A new system is being evoked to make available modern infrastructure and facilities to the players. It is our endeavor that our players win high accolades in the sports world and enhance the prestige of our country. Economic development plays the most vital role in improving the lives of our countrymen. Today, India is among the fastest growing economies in the world. Inflation is low, fiscal deficit is under control, foreign exchange reserves are growing, and the impact of Make in India is clearly visible. India is now on the way to become the world's fifth largest economy in terms of GDP. To maintain the high growth rate, reform process will continue. It is our objective to make India a $5 trillion economy by 2024. Work is underway in full earnest to transform India into a global manufacturing hub. Keeping in view industry, a new industrial policy will be announced shortly. In ease of doing business, India has leapfrogged 65 positions during the past 5 years, from a ranking of 142 in 2014 to 77. Now our goal is to be among the top 50 countries of the world, collaboration with the states.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.